What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Always Occupied and Izzy DIY. Today we are building up a scooter. Got it from Sam's Club. It says your age needs to be 10 or over. It says max speed 12.4 miles per hour, 20 km/h. 12.4 miles, 20 km range. 3 riding modes: turbo mode, cruise mode / safe mode. Mechanical braking system: safe and easy to use hand brake. Elastic solid rubber tires.
We have a charger.
And then
You gotta take this off.
boom.
Boom.
That is way more easier.
The wheels are rubber. Kickstands on that side.
The only thing we need to do is just one thing.
Alright, you guys, so I will be covering the non-fun part. Okay, here we go. We have to look at the instructions so we can go ahead and install the handlebar. Okay, so it says 1, press the quick release button and insert the stem into the front fork. The button will pop out automatically. Alright, so I lift this up, pulled it out, and that's it with that. Let's go to number 1 on the bottom. It says align the positioning groove with the positioning screw. Then slide the screw into the groove and insert the stem into the bottom. So we have a little screw right here, and then we have the little knot right there. So that looked like the part where the screw goes under, and I'm sorry, I got too much glare on my camera, so I can't really tell if y'all can see or not, but there's a little groove right here to go right between that. So we are just gonna slide it in. And sorry, but y'all are in the way. Hit the camera. I'm gonna slide back just a tad bit. Hopefully y'all can see. Alright, I'm going to slide it right there. And right, you guys, I think it's all the way in. Yep, it's all the way, it went all the way down. To undo it, you have to lift this lever up here and then, whew, that is tight. Oh, that's pretty cool. So if you want to fold it and put it away, you could just do that. All right, let me go ahead. I want to tighten this up. Unfortunately, you can only use one side of this Allen set. This side is just regular round. They should have put this and this side matching. Why they did that, I don't know. Engineering. All right, that's tight. Now I'm gonna lift this up. I'm tightening these up because that's what keeps it tight onto the shaft. All right. Now I am going to lift it. That's it. All right, so that's it as far as the assembly goes, you guys. So the assembly takes about 3 minutes to do, really. Number 4, we on the pre-ride checklist. So I'll snap a photo for y'all so y'all can see the pre-ride checklist. Basically, they telling you get your helmet, knee pads, and stuff like that. What else? So they do have the 3 modes. They have the turbo mode, the cruise mode, and the safe mode. All right, you guys, so we are still in red. The red indicator is right here. It says red is charging, green full charge. Number 7 is all the specifications, and I will definitely take a photo for this for all y'all because I am definitely not reading all this. But I skimmed through it, and it says charging time approximately 3 hours. And then they got another approximately 6 hours, and that is for the different models. Okay, you guys, so right here you have your power button. This is your acceleration right here. You have your little bell. You don't have a miles per hour monitor here, so if you want a miles per hour monitor, you basically could download something like that on your phone and get a little stand right here, and then you could test out your miles per hour. We might do that, I don't know yet, but other than that, that's it. This little hump in the back right here, they says for this model C15 and C20 only, they call it the buckle. So I am not sure what the buckle is yet until we ride it. It has reflector light right there, so that's pretty cool in case they out at night, kids or somebody's out in the street. You got reflectors right there. There is no light on this, all right? This is not a high profile scooter. This is on instant savings right now as we speak, 200 bucks. All right, it was 280, but they sliced off 80. So, yeah, 280 bucks. You can get your kids a nice little scooter. All right, everybody. So we are out at the field right now, and we are about to. Well, my other son got the scooter out already. I don't think he's going 12 miles per hour.
That ain't no way that's 12 miles per hour.
Maybe that's 8 miles per hour. I don't think that's 12, but we'll try to set the settings on that. Okay, you guys, so we are done with riding the scooter, and I can honestly say that the scooter is okay. I thought it would be a little bit faster, 12 miles per hour I thought would be a little bit faster than that, but it seemed like one of them normal scooters that you get from Walmart that says, 10 miles per hour, 8 miles per hour, whatever. One of those Razor scooters. So, to be honest, for me, it seems like it goes, regular speed. We actually had downloaded a speed app for it, so the top speed, we was going the top speed, and it just felt like, I'm speaking for myself and my oldest. My youngest could speak for himself because my oldest don't want to speak, but my oldest said even for him it felt like it was going slow. So you go ahead.
Now for me, it has to be a 8.5 out of 10 because the speed, like if you have that on like the max speed, you could go like fast. But I mean, it's okay. They have 2 brakes, one on the back and the front. So I think that's a really good product. How much did it cost?
$200.
200. Okay. Now that's going to a 8, just a straight up 8. $200 for. I mean, it doesn't even go 12 miles per hour that much. So
so we're talking uphill and downhill. So so when you basically on flat land, then yeah, you pretty much going fast. If you on going downhill, you're going fast. But if you're going uphill, it feels like you're going slower.
Yeah. So I think it should be an 8 because it should at least cost like $69 or something.
And I definitely agree with that. I totally agree. That scooter, I don't think is $200. I think that scooter is maybe like $80. They could bump it to $100 to what the Walmart scooters are, but yeah. That scooter is definitely not worth $200, and that was a sale. That $200 was a sale. It's the real price is $270. So for basically $300, if you buy that full price, we want to save you the money now. Don't even think about it. Look for a better scooter that goes faster for $300.
Please, share a link in the comments if you can to what scooter you got so we can review it and see if it's good. Yeah,
so in the comment section below, let us know what scooter that you think is one of the best. Well, that's probably very expensive, but let us know what some good budget scooters out there. Also, if you get frustrated with this product, there is a QR, is that what they call it? QR code. You scan that code and it will tell you how to activate the bike. So when you first get the bike, you have to activate it. You will hear this beep, 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 beep sound. You have to hold the throttle and hold the brake down for 5 seconds. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified on the next products that we got coming to the channel.